can honestly say I really like the collection. I think it's really user friendly. I did experience quite a bit of fallout on some of the eyeshadows, especially the blue one that I use. We have some colors that pop. I really wanted to use that blue, and I really wanted to use this purple over here, and they weren't as intense as I thought they were going to be, which was actually pretty good because this definitely can just spice up a look, spice up an everyday if you're feeling a little bored with your makeup and you want to do something really fun. Overall, I definitely really enjoy this collection. The body oil, after it dried down, it feels just kind of like I have lotion on. I think it's a cute look. I think it's a really cute palette. The brushes were awesome. The body oil feels great, looks good, it's not too much. And I really like the lip liner and the lip gloss. I think it looks really good as well. Honestly, no regrets. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll be back with more videos.